So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are well. So today I'm finally unboxing something I've been waiting for a quite long time. मैंने इसके regarding एक shorts भी upload किया था and I feel like it's been a quite a long time. So let's just the unboxing. I wanted to do the unboxing. I was very excited and I wanted to do it with you. So here it is, my own DJI Osmo Pocket 3, very real, sitting right in front of me. So alongside the larger sensor, we have got a new brand rotating touchscreen. That's a new feature in this DJI, जिसने मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा attract किया अपनी तरफ. So you can flip between vertical and horizontal filming just by rotating the screen, which is honestly a really very smart design choice, especially for the content creators switching between YouTube and social media. So it is packed into something that fits into your pocket, perfect for vlogging, lifestyle content, travel, filmmaking, and even behind the scenes work for professional in a pinch. So here we go. Let's just do the unboxing now. So first we peel off the plastic wrap. Very Apple style packaging here. It is very clean, minimal, satisfying. I loved it. So the moment I lift the lid, and there it is. So before diving straight into the camera, मैं आपको पहले ही बता देती हूँ कि ये क्रिएटर कॉम्बो है जिसके लिए मैंने एक्स्ट्रा पे किया है और मुझे उसके लिए बहुत सारी एक्स्ट्रा एक्सेसरीज भी मिली हैं. एंड येस, वंस यू ओपन इट यू गेट दिस स्नैक. प्लीज़ डोंट ईट इट, अदरवाइज दिस विल बी अ लास्ट स्नैक or you will go to a mini, I feel like, very expensive trip to the hospital. So here it comes a bag which contains all the accessories और ये होते हैं manuals. Like in every electrical appliances you get these manuals. What I personally do is I throw them because everything is online, but since DJI is providing it, why not, let's go through it. It's just a formality. So next up we are carrying, it's the case, like the case where you keep your camera intact into it. DJI has kept that familiar shell styled design. It's compact, protective, and doesn't add much bulk. You can slide the Pocket 3 in, toss it into the back or even your pocket, and you're good to go. इसमें ये सिलिकॉन कवरिंग है, काफ़ी स्टर्डी है, काफ़ी हार्ड भी है. एंड येस, आई फील like if you intact your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 inside it, it's kind of like very safe. It's kind of like very safe, which I like it. Now let's open the main accessory case, and this is where the things get exciting. ये यही केस है जिसके लिए मैंने एक्स्ट्रा मनी पे किया था to get a creator combo, and honestly they include quite a lot thing. So first up we get this battery handle. This is important because Pocket 3 does not have a removable battery, so this handle give you an extended shooting time. अगर आप जैसे outdoors जा रहे हैं, if you're shooting a vlog for like very long period of time, it's almost essential if you're filming like जैसे मैंने बोला कि longer sessions and YouTube videos. So it's kind of very nice, which I like it. इसके साथ आपको एक और छोटा, I don't know whether you call it a battery or इंटैक्ट अटैचमेंट रहती है. आई थिंक इट्स अ बैटरी ओनली, या जो आप मेन जो कैमरा है उसके साथ आप अटैच कर सकते हो. एंड ये भी काफ़ी लाइक काइंड ऑफ स्टर्डी है. ये थोड़ा सा आपको जैसे हाइट सी प्रोवाइड कर देता है टू व्हेन यू आर शूटिंग. एंड जो ये पीछे आपको स्क्रू होल दिखाई दे रहा है, आई एम गोना लेट यू नो दिस in the next product which I'm going to open it. So next up we have this tiniest tripod ever. Like this is the tiniest, cutest and adorable tripod I have ever seen, and the main thing is it is surprisingly very sturdy. One thing to note, it attaches via the battery handle. वो जो बैक में होल था, yes, ये उसी के थ्रू अटैच होता है, not directly to the camera. and उससे क्या होता है कि ये जो सेटअप है ना, थोड़ा सा the camera setup, it is slightly taller, but DJI seems to have made the base wider to improve the stability. Now let's talk about the one of the biggest highlights in this combo, which is DJI Mic 2. It is actually the first time we are seeing this mic in this form. It is kind of very smaller, very handy, and it is people say that it is very good than the previous one. Obviously I don't had the previous one, but जो previous DJI mics थे उनसे काफ़ी अच्छा है, even more compact than competitors. The design looks sleek, and I love that you can see a bit of internal styling. उसके बाद ये आपको ये मिलता है, what do you call it, the audio windshields. It is also called as dead cats. It reduces the noise when recording outdoors. You get the strap for extra security while filming on to go. And another snack, please don't eat it. Then you got this USB-C cable. It is also like kind of what I have till now experienced it. It's kind of like very good. Then the main part of the story, then the beauty is here. Finally, the camera, DJI Osmo Pocket itself. So इसको जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था, you can use it in the horizontal way and the vertical way. मैंने इसको अभी open नहीं किया था because I just wanted to see it, and to be honest, before that I just wanted to go to the manual and do how to go through all the processes. So that rotating screen feels very solid, the build quality feels premium, and knowing that there's 1-inch sensor inside something this small, that's genuinely exciting. Like, this is one of those products that feels like serious step forward for compact cameras. So these are the all things which I've got in getting all the stuff. Also, मैंने एक extra card reader भी लिया था, because why not, just in case if you are full up with the card, then you'll be like, okay, now what, and I don't want to get stuck at any point of time. Also, ये मैंने एक, ये मुझे 5 पाउंड का एक्स्ट्रा मैं बोलूँगी खर्चा पड़ गया था, just to keep the cameras protected, the screen protected. I got the screen guard also, which was for 5 pound, and surprisingly उसमें मुझे 4 pairs each मिले हुए थे, which was very nice. सो मैंने ये खुद ही लगा लिया था अपने आप ही, बिकॉज़ बाहर इतनी ज़्यादा आपके पास अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं होती है. नेक्स्टली, जैसे मैंने बताया था आपको, मैंने कार्ड रीडर लिया था, तो ये लेक्सा प्रोफेशनल्स का है, जो कि मुझे शॉप ओनर ने ही रिकमेंड किया था टू गो फॉर इट, एंड आई फील लाइक दिस इज़ द गुड वन. नाउ इसके साथ व्हेन आई स्पेंड माई 583 पाउंड्स इन दिस कॉम्पैक्ट बॉक्स, उन्होंने मुझे एक गिफ्ट दिया था सरप्राइजिंगली. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. दैट्स द SD कार्ड स्टोरेज केस. इट वाज नाइस, इट वाज अ गिफ्ट. तो हम लोग इंडियंस हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली लाइक वी गो फॉर द गिफ्ट्स. फ्री थिंग्स, इट्स आर जस्ट मेन कोर. तो ये गिफ्ट थोड़ा कुछ इस टाइप का लग रहा था, तो मैंने सोचा कि चलो ये भी खोल के दिखा देती हूँ. मैंने उस दिन, मुझे काफ़ी ASMR करने में काफ़ी मज़ा आ रहा था. ये मुझे खोलने में थोड़ा सा टाइम लग गया था, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि ये कैसे ओपन होगा, बट समहाउ आई फिगर्ड इट आउट एंड ओपनड इट. So yes, here it goes. I wanted to know how it works, so I just attached the battery pack at the bottom of the camera, and as soon as I power it on, it asks you to activate and sync with the DJI Osmo Mimo app, which is the standard for DJI products, registration, firmware updates, and the usual process. The moment I removed this, it was like kind of very satisfying. Put it up there, put to the vertical base, and then you need to go through, follow up the instructions, download the app, and go through it. I'm very excited to test the video quality, the light performance or the low light performance, and how stabilized it is, and of course the DJI Neo mic. And I would love to show you the entire features and everything of this DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and stay tuned for the full review, and I'm gonna bring that soon. I'm sorry for uploading my videos so late, but yes, I'm going to be more consistent from this time onwards. So at the end, I would just say thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, take care.